welcome back to My Crafting World. This is Anna. Guys, I downloaded a file from Shabby Art Boutique, and I'm gonna leave the link for you in the description box. But how cute is this little elf? Oh my gosh. There's several elves in the collection, and they are just so adorable. So for the Shabby Art Boutique, you do have to have a subscription to be able to download anything that they're selling. And you have to subscribe and stay in for 2 months minimum, and then you can leave the subscription if you'd like. But I just thought this was so adorable. So today is going to be a Dollar Tree Tuesday. I used this paper for my Dollar Tree craft. So I found some little picture frames at Dollar Tree. This is what I did for the little picture frame. Isn't that just cute? Look at her. Isn't she adorable? So I did remove that backing, or that frame, that wooden frame look that was on here. It's really thin paper, but it's got a plastic film on the front, and I didn't want for it to look blotchy, the paint, so I removed it. It's a really thin layer. And then I just used some Waverly chalk paint in ballet slippers to paint the frame, and I did paint a little bit on the inside just because I knew some of it was going to show. And this little girl comes from the collection. All the artwork does, and even the backgrounds. And I love it because I can size anything, you know, to what I need. And this one I kind of messed up. I didn't want to start over, so I used it anyway. But I popped it up on foam, and I used the gold bling from Dollar Tree to go around the side of the picture frame. And it had a twine hanger. Let me see. Here we go. It had this hanger with the, you know, with the beads, and I didn't want that look, so I removed it, and I just covered up the holes with this tag right here. I used some Glitterific on the roof of the house, and then I used some stickles for the tree and the window, and I did dot a little bit of stickles just to give it a little more sparkle. And yeah, I love that color. So on the back, instead of putting the hanger back on there, I just glued some baker's twine down, and I can hang it that way. But that's what the back looks like. And I had to search because most of them are kind of, you know, they're kind of bowed in. So I had to really search for the straighter ones. So I made that one, and then I made this one, Candy Cane. So I chose the candy out of the Elements page, and this is another little guy. I stickled him up. This is another paper from the collection, and the frames are all done the same way. And those are so cute. I just love how that pop of red just, you know, just adds a lot to it. So here's the next one. And then here are the elves. Aren't they cute? I tried to make sure that I used all the elves because they're so adorable. So here are the elves. So super adorable. And then here are some of the baubles. And I just used, this is from last year. I had these, this is elastic, that elastic cord. But I got this one at Dollar General last year, and I still had some, so I said, well, it's gold, it's thick, I'll use that. And I, you know, put some bows on the top, tiny little flowers, And then again, all of them have the little holly with the berries, and they're all painted and decorated the same or embellished the same from the outside. So here are my 4 picture frames. See if you can see that. You can barely see it. So those are my 4 picture frames that I think came out so adorable. They're gonna look so good on the wall because you're not gonna be this close, of course, but it's gonna make a nice wall piece. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. You guys have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.